Morning and welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of the Polo project. Well, you saw the reveal video. I picked the car up last night, got it in garage, did a quick reveal video, and I can put a link to the reveal video in the description. And I had a bit of trouble starting it when I picked it up. I had to use my jumper pack, so I thought I'll stick it on charge overnight. So what I'll do is I'll just unplug the charger, just move this out of the way, close this battery cover, yep, and then shut the bonnet. Now the first thing I want to do before starting the work is give it a wash. Warm water. Now I better move the camera around so you can see better. There you go. Now I'm ready for the jet wash. We do this bit as well. Cleaner now. Next up is to vac it. Thought next thing to do was deal with the tyres. Now I've had a look at this one and yeah, there's enough tread, but as you can see it's worn on the inside edge, so I think I just replaced that one anyway. Now going round to the other side and just having a look at that. That's not too bad. I think there is a bit of wear on inside edge, so the wheel alignment needs doing, but I'll just see if I've enough in the budget. As I mentioned before, I don't want to spend more than £200, otherwise it'll eat into my profit. I thought I'd just check the spare as well. Now that one doesn't look too bad. It looks like it's had a puncture repair in the past. And that looks to be fine. It could be the original spare though, for all I know. It could be the original spare from when it was brand new. Let's have a look. Is there a date stamp on it? No, I'm only unfair with the 4-figure date stamps on the tyres. But I think I just keep that as the spare. And I think I just replace these front ones anyway. Yeah, because there's a bit of wear on that. Yep, I'll get these replaced. Well, I thought while I've got the wheels off, I'll give the anti-roll bar links a good dousing of penetrating fluid, and I'll just get close in if you can see from here. So let's see if we can get the light up. It's a bit difficult now, I've only got so many pairs of hands. Let's have a look here. So now if you can see on there, see the boot split. So it's going to have to be replaced, because you can't really get replacement boots for them, so just fitting new ones. If I'm doing one side, I need to do the other side at the same time. And I need to look at this CV boot as well now. I'm just looking at this, seems to be some grease on there. Yep, as you can see, that's split. So I don't think I'll be doing that one yet. I might just find out at the garage when it goes in for MoT, get them to replace a boot, and I've done with it. Now, just look at these brake pads. I was told the new front brakes fitted. Now I'm just looking. Those pads look almost brand new, but the discs got a bit of lip on them, but nothing too serious. They'll probably last out till the next pad change, so I'm not going to bother with them. It's not going to fail MoT, which is all I'm worried about at the moment. And anyway, the wheels are out here. Got them off, and you can probably see a condition of the tyres a bit better. Have a look. Yeah, definitely wear on that inside edge, and that one's going the same way. And I'll take them down if I say tyre place says just replace one. That's good, but I'm budgeting on replacing them both. So I'll see you down at the tyre place. Okay, we're at the tyre place. You can see it behind me. So we'll get these tyres in and we'll get them replaced. I've got my replacement tyres. So, and I'm back at the garage, so I'll just get them put in the garage. I'm not going to put them back on car because I've got those anti-roll bar drop links to do. And then next I'll be getting all the parts I need. Well, I'm here at Champion Motor Spares. I've got my bits and it's cost me just over 55 quid, so with the tyres that's just taking me halfway past my intended budget. So don't anticipate any other big spending, but got a bit in reserve just in case. So I'm gonna get these back to the garage. Okay, I'm back at the garage now, and this is what my £55.32 got me. Bosch air filter, a set of 4 NGK spark plugs, an oil filter which also fits a Golf engine, presumably the 1.4 petrol, a pair of front anti-roll bar drop links, and 5 litres of 10W40 semi-synthetic engine oil, which will be ideal for this engine considering its mileage, which is just over 130,000. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed this one. I think the service will be a separate video, and the anti-roll bar drop links will also be a separate video, but I might just do them together. Anyway, I'll decide when the time comes. So please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. It was a bit of a disappointment with the VW T4 camper conversion, but that's the way things go. But at least I got some Volkswagen content. So as I say, please like and subscribe. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.